Hi, my name is Faith, and this is my custom shell part 3. So first I'm going to cd into the source directory. I'm going to do dir, prints out the contents of the directory, environ, prints out environment variables, echo hello, which prints out hello, pause, and then enter to unpause my shell, and then clear. Now I'm going to run the sleepy command. First I need to go into my bin directory, and then I'll run the sleepy command in the background. And there it finished sleeping. Now I'm going to run another command. I'm going to run sleepy in output.text. Well, I'm going to redirect the outputs of sleepy to output.text. And I'm going to put this in the background. After 5 seconds, we can cat what's in output.text and see. And as you can see, the process is now awake because it's been 5 seconds. And now we're going to show the structure of my shell. So I'll cd into source, and then first I'll show utility.c. Utility.c has includes, and this parse input function is a helper function that tokenizes command line input and detects input/output redirection or background execution. And first it tokenizes through all of our input and sees if there's an input redirection or output redirection sign or append redirection sign or a background execution sign. And we have other functions like current directory, clear, directory, environment, echo, help, and pause, and quit. And this is our external command function, and well, we call the parse input, and a PID creates a child process, and this child process is important because without it, the output of our external functions or redirection would replace our shell, which wouldn't be good. And if we have an input file, dupe2 replaces the standard input and puts it into our input file, and this output file, dupe2 would get what our standard output and put it into our output file for output redirection. And execvp executes demands, and it replaces the current process with a selected command. And now I'll show customshell.h, which has our includes. Customshell.c has this is where our code is run, and the main function checks if a batch file is being run, and it also calls all commands. All commands checks if which function is being run here with our if statements, and external commands if the current input doesn't match any of these if statements, then it will run an external command, and that's it.